PU Prime has become a global trusted brokerage, and right now they already have their leaderboards on copy trading. Let me tell you more about that. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of PU Prime. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Right off the bat, you will see there is Argentina held strong in Ecuador, and you have that $50 loss protection. You have the promo code as well. You can go ahead and check that one out during your own research. Now, PU Prime, guys, has become that trusted global brokerage, and it is recognized for its cutting-edge platforms, the competitive trading conditions, and basically the access to over 2,000 instruments across Forex, indices, commodities, shares, and digital assets. Now guys, with its combination of the lightning fast trade execution, the tight spreads, the robust security, and that multilingual support, PU Prime is actually empowering both the novice and the professional traders to navigate the global markets with confidence. Now, a key highlight, guys, to PU Prime's offerings is its copy trading service. Now, I will show that to you in a bit, guys. It is allowing the clients to replicate that strategies of successful traders directly into their own account. Now, that is one thing that I would, of course, strongly recommend to the beginners as well. The intermediate and the professional, you guys know about this, but it always helps for someone to have their own technical analysis that you could compare the one that you have. That way you could validate, and you could check out actually two heads are better than one always. So you could mitigate the profits and the loss and all of that. Now here on trading, guys, you have PU copy trading. Go ahead and click that one out and it will take you directly to this page. Our sponsor for today will help you find leads even in those darkest places. LeadSniper has been doing this for a long time, guys, helping out marketers just like myself. So if you need targeted data that actually converts, LeadSniper is your best bet. So they have Google Maps Scraper, Google Search Scraper, Yellow Page Scraper, and they have a lot more tools that are coming out. So go ahead and check them out. Link to that will be in the description of the video. Let's continue. Now, what sets this feature apart is the copy trading leaderboard, guys. It is a transparent ranking system that showcases the top performing strategies in real time. Now, traders are actually evaluating leaders by returns, drawdowns, and follower counts, and it helps them select the strategies that align with their goals and their appetite for risk. Now guys, the leaderboard highlights multiple categories, and let me show you this. It is right here. Okay, so you have the most copied strategies, so that reflects the trader's confidence through the accumulated followers. And then you also have that highest annual return. That is spotlighting aggressive high performance strategies. And you have that low risk stable return. Now this one is identifying the consistent performers with those lower risk profiles. Now recent performance showcases this diversity, and one high risk strategy produces a 120% monthly gain with a 35% drawdown. Now that is attracting those seeking fast-paced growth. And conversely, guys, a conservative trader delivered a steady 12% return with under 5% drawdown, supported by over 1,200 followers. So now, by offering full transparency and a wide range of strategies, PU Prime's leaderboard, guys, is empowering the clients to choose between bold growth opportunities and the steady, sustainable returns, all while benefiting from professional expertise. I would strongly recommend, of course, that you go ahead and check them out. See for yourself the power of copy trading provided to you by PU Prime. Link to this will be in the description of the video. So hopefully, guys, you are getting the most profit out of all your trades in 2025. We are in the fourth quarter almost, guys. We are almost in the fourth quarter of 2025. Hopefully, you would get as much profit as you can with all your trades to end up this year, and head on over and check out PU Prime. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.